Guys, welcome back to the backyard. I know it's been a while, but I was tired, lazy, and fat, and I ate some more food because that's what fat people do. Today, we're going to take this bacon here. What is this? This is a pound of bacon. She only got me a pound of bacon. It says 50% more, but it's only a pound. It's from Walmart, so I bet you I paid 50% more as well. All right, we're going to cut this bacon in half. Look, it's already cut in half because this is the second time I'm doing it. She'll clean that up. All right, this is the second time I'm doing it, so just cut that shit in half, all right? You need it in half. Hopefully, it actually cut all the way in half. We're going to take all this bacon, though. All this bacon. We want all this bacon, son. Look here. Look, you take this, watch. It's an invisible garbage can. She'll clean it. That's her job. You know what she even told me too? She says, listen, you can't have a whole pound of bacon, right? Not in one sandwich. So this one here, this little bit, we're going to put it over there. We're going to make that for her. All right, that's her sandwich. Look what I got back here. Look at this. All right, these little mats are pretty badass, all right? She over there yelking at me already. You know, that look that's actually a yelk, all right? She's saying, you didn't go over your ingredients. All right, these are our ingredients. We got some bread, some lettuce, tomato, and some Duke's mayonnaise. It's a fucking BLT. What? All right, look. These little mats. These little silicone mats. Look at that. The little silicone mats. It's going to let the grease fall through, and these things can get hot. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this bacon, and we're going to put it on the mat. Boom! Put it in the smoker. No, we got to set it up, man. Hold on. Hold on. Just put it on the mat for now. Look, look. Invisible garbage can. All right. Just put it on the mat. I should have made her do this shit upstairs. That's what I do with tedious work. On the mat. On the mat. You know what? Through the magic of editing, this shit will be on the mat. Right? Now, through the power of editing, guess what I got? I got a whole crap ton of bacon right here on the mat. Right? Also, I got me a black mat. Why? Because, well, come to find out, a pound of bacon cut in half won't fit on 2 mats. All right? That's all right. Guess what you're about to see? Guess what? Invisible garbage can. She'll clean that mess up. All right, listen. This side here, this is the Recteq Dualfire, all right? That means I got 2 sides. Look at this. Look at this. This is my first cook on the Recteq Dualfire. One side and one side, all right? What? Now check this out. I spray mine with like a little bit of like olive oil. I spray a little bit on there and I wipe it down. Then I get it real hot. And I don't know if you guys know it, but my Recteqs never get covered. This is going to keep my Recteq a little bit better. That's my personal philosophy. You do you, right? But we're going to have to put this bacon in there. So on this side, it's like 350 degrees. Let's get her in there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. When you put it in there, guys, this is bacon. Bacon, grease, and fire do not mix. So when you put it in there, slide this guy over the drip pan. See that? You know what my wife is saying? She's saying, where can I find these mats? Right? Affiliate link below. We're going to wait like 20 minutes. We'll be back. Now look at the bacon, son. Okay, guys, we're back. Yeah, I put some bread in there a little bit ago. You're going to see that. But I put 2 breads in there. I smothered them with the Duke's mayonnaise. Listen, this is the first video back, man. I've been gone for over a year. I burnt the bread, all right? But the Dualfire ain't burning bread this time. This bread is damn near perfect. And you can't see it. My GoPro quit. Look at that bread. Look at that bread. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. You can't see it. You're going to have to believe me a little bit. And you're going to have to believe me because, well, the GoPro died, but I just turned off this side. Do that with your Weber. All right. What we're going to have to do now is get our Duke's mayonnaise and double mayonnaise this up, because mayonnaise is for champions. And, we just want a little bit of mayonnaise on my sandwich, right? Just a little bit of mayonnaise. There you go. Here. My mama, She bought this way back when. This is a spreader, right? You cannot buy this spreader in a store. If you can find this spreader, put a link in the comments, all right? If the link don't work, just put the words in there, all right, fool? I don't know. Will the link work, Jess? Can they put a link in the comments? They probably say no to that. They probably think it's some kind of porno. Porno. Food porn. It kind of mixes. See? Fat people know things. All right, look. We got to start building our sandwich, right? I don't like that piece of lettuce. Ooh, that one's getting better. Ooh, that's a good piece of lettuce, right? But we don't need a lot of lettuce, right? We want a bacon sandwich. Look at that. Now that's some lettuce. All right, now we need some good tomatoes, right? Look at this tomato. I didn't cut these up. I didn't slice them. My wife did. She don't like things even. That's all right. I do. Look at the Duke sled, guys. This is where I burn my face off, right? My hands are going to be on fire, but it's all right. The things I do for you. The things I do for you. Look at that bacon, sir. Just look at it. I know you can't see it. Let me move that bread off. Boop. All right. Look at the bacon. Look at the bacon. Look at the bacon. Oh, kind of greasy. I don't care if that's dirty. You don't wait to bake them. Affiliate link below. Awesome tool. Invisible dishwasher. All right, let's get this bacon out. Let's get it out of there. Boom. Invisible dishwasher. All right. Ooh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. I would have missed him. Ooh, I would have missed you. Whoop out. All right. You know, that GoPro went off, and I just realized something. Affiliate link below. Look, they come in 2 colors, right? Invisible dishwasher. Shut the lid. I just realized something big here. We only got one thing of bread. That's a sloppy piece of bacon right there. Here, have some bacon, some sloppy bacon. Might be a little hot for you. All right, hold on. Time to make the sandwich, son. And you know what's good about baking a bacon sandwich? You can do whatever you want. Now, let me be honest. Ooh, got another one fell away. Got bacon as hell. You know why that's bacon as hell? It's fucking bacon. It's crispy. Now look. When you in the backyard, you make your bacon. Oh, don't get out of there. What are you doing? Don't under my tomatoes. All right, but when you in the backyard, son, and you will make yourself a bacon sandwich. My wife is back there smiling because she knows she wants some. She's laughing at me. She's calling me a pig right now. She says Porky Pig. That's all, folks. All right, listen. When you're in the backyard, you want to make yourself a bacon sandwich. You don't need no fucking tomato. Here, catch that. All right? You're going to eat your tomato. Oh. I don't need no lettuce either. I can feel the mayonnaise all over my face. Here, this is your bacon. Don't let it go to waste. She's gobbling it up too, son. Guys, welcome back to the backyard. We'll have another video soon. You have a good day. I'm out of here. I got to eat my shit, all right? Bye-bye. Billy link below. All right, turn that off. Did I tell you to turn that shit off? I'm trying to eat my food. They don't even see a fat man eat. Turn that shit off.